Hi everybody, my name's Troy Hawes and welcome to my acoustic lounge. Hey, we're going to jump back to the 1980s and we're going to review a great new wave song called I Ran by A Flock of Seagulls. That's right, I know what you're thinking. What did he just say? I Ran by A Flock of Seagulls. Released in 1982, I Ran peaked at number 9 on the Billboard Hot 100. It's a fun song to play live, and everybody loves to sing and dance to this particular song. So if you want to learn a great new wave song from the early 1980s, stick around. We'll have a look at it right now. Okay, I know what you're thinking. How are we going to play a new wave song exclusively on the acoustic guitar? Let's face it, if you know this song, you know there's a lot going on in there. In the 80s, they were really heavy into synthesizers and keyboards and all sorts of guitar effects. How are we going to do this with an acoustic guitar? Well, it's very simple. Even this song has a very basic rhythm pattern to it. And to get through it, you only need to know 3 chords. Let's have a look at them now. First one is an A major chord. You're going to need to know a G major. And you need to know 1 bar chord, and that's the F bar chord. That's it. Those 3 chords get you all the way through this song. Let's take a few minutes now and look at the chord progression and a little bit of strumming. Okay, the chord progression and some strumming. Song basically starts on the A major chord. Here we go. To the G major. Back to the A major. And then back to the G major. We're going to go to the F. To the G. Couldn't get away. And that's it. That's all you need to get through this entire song. There's not really much of a bridge in this particular song. It just simply repeats that chord progression over and over again. Okay, so there it is. You know the routine. We're going to mic it up, and I'm going to use a great backbeat from my Beat Buddy by Singular Sound. Practice that a few times and be ready to join me.
I walk along the avenue. I never thought I'd meet a girl like you. Meet a girl like you. With auburn hair and tawny eyes, the kind of eyes that hypnotize me through. You hypnotize me through. And I ran so far away. I just ran, I ran all night and day. Couldn't get away. dream a light comes shining down on you, shining down on you. Cloud is moving near us. Aurora Borealis comes in view. Aurora comes in view. And I ran so far away. I just ran all night and day. Couldn't get away. Reached out a hand to touch your face. You're slowly disappearing from my view, disappearing from view. Reached out a hand to try again, floating in the beam of light with you, a beam of light with you. And I ran so far away. I just ran all night and day. I just ran so far away. I just ran all night and day. Couldn't get away.
And there you have it, I Ran by A Flock of Seagulls. Thank you for tuning into my acoustic lounge. My name is Troy Hawes. If you like my videos, please consider subscribing. I do truly appreciate it. Until the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.